Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be fitting a new diffuser in an F1 light, and I'll remove the old diffuser and I'll show you my new diffuser. This is my new diffuser. It's a sports diffuser for a Ford Fiesta Mark 7. Because I've got the exhaust, I already got one which is cut out already, and this is a sports back box. I think it's a Hornet one because the guy I bought it for said it's a Hornet one. This is just a test fit. I haven't fully clipped it on yet, just see how it looks. And this is the F1 light I'll be installing to this diffuser. I'm going to be installing the F1 light just here, in the middle of the diffuser. I'm going to fit the F1 light. I'll show you how I fitted it in. Just fit the diffuser in, and I'll put the F1 light in. And the wiring, I drilled a hole around the diffuser there. I just need to wire it in now and see if it works. As you can see, I fit my brake lights in, and that's how it looks. And the car started up as well. I wired it up. Yeah, just cut the wires and solder it on. So make sure to like and subscribe and follow my TikTok ZM2.ZMVXR, and I'll see you in my next video.